Hi, my name's Bob Lindy. I'm an herbalist and an herb grower. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to grow organic medicinal herbs. One of the nice things is many of our culinary herbs are actually medicinal herbs as well. And then of course there's hundreds and hundreds of medicinal herbs that you may be able to grow in your area. So of course you want to start with good soil. You can actually control the type of soil in your area if you do raised beds and make sure that you're filling it with good organic, rich composted soil. Or if your property, you're not using any pesticides or artificial fertilizers on your yard, you're already working with some nice organic soil. One of the most important things though when doing any type of gardening is to have a good compost pile. So make sure that the things that you're putting in your compost pile are organic to start with and turn it frequently. I actually find it beneficial to keep 2 or 3 different compost piles going, each in a little bit different degradation of the compost so that it's actually breaking down, and I always have a fresh pile started. So turn your compost pile, amend your soil, and start with good, rich organic soil, and you'll be able to grow wonderful both culinary and medicinal herbs in your garden throughout the year.